Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Audi A3 here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning on this one. So first, you want to make sure your ignition's on. Then you want to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. From here, you want to press the home button. Then go to car. Then settings and service. Then scroll down till you get to tyre pressure loss indicator. Then click on there. Now first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Then once you've done that, come to store tyre pressures. And then yes, store now. It says storing values, please wait. And once it's done, it says the current tyre pressures have been stored, and that's it.